Hello and welcome to another episode of Google Sheets Learning Tutorial with Syed. In this episode, we will discuss how to use arrays in Google Sheets. To follow along with me, please click on the link in the video description to make a working copy of this book. I have 3 sheets on this workbook. See it, where I will demonstrate. Do it is for you to practice and the practice data set that we will use. So let us go to See It sheet. Before I start typing in my array formula, let us discuss how we want the data to be. I want to extract certain columns from this practice data set. I want employee ID followed with full name, then I want the country name and then staff type. So how do I go about it? I will simply go into the See It sheet and placing my cursor in the first cell, that is cell A1, I will type in equal to an array formula. That's the formula I need. I will select that one, insert a flower bracket. This is important so that your array formula works efficiently. Now we need to simply select the column which is required in the first section. So I need employee ID. Then I want it to be followed with full name. So I will select that one, comma. Then I need the country name. I will click on the country name column, comma. Finally, I want the staff type. I will click on that, close the flower bracket, close the regular bracket, and now press enter. There we go. You can see the power of array formula. It was able to get me the defined set of columns in the order I want it to show. Using the array formula, you can define the data in a manner you want. That is, you can decide which column comes first and which comes last. With the help of this one, you can turn around your data from left to right, right to left, and with that, make complex functions and formulas, maybe VLOOKUPs. So this is going to be very useful. So remember, practice as much as you can to retain the learning. In the next episode, we will explore more dimensions of Google Sheets. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click that little bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you and have a lovely one. Until next time.